Hey, Dewan here, and thanks for checking out this product review. Now, before we get started and jump into this review, I want to let you know that if you would like to work with your very own personal internet marketing coach to help you copy and paste your way to an online income of up to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. You can grab the reviewed product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'm going to give you my three awesome bonuses that are going to help you make money even faster. Okay, so for bonus number one, you're going to get my detailed strategy for YouTube SEO. That's right, you'll be able to rank your YouTube videos in 2024 on the first page. Rank your YouTube videos with proven SEO strategies I successfully used in 2023 that will continue to work in 2024. You want to get your YouTube videos ranking on the first page and driving more views? In this bonus guide, I'll show you my proven step by step blueprint to optimize your videos for YouTube search. Just roll up your sleeves and follow the checklist to start ranking your videos higher in YouTube and getting them in front of your ideal audience. The steps work as we head into 2024, driven by search behavior data and best practices. Okay, so for bonus number two, access to a strategy that includes a virtually unknown website that will give you 25,000 new email subscribers every single Friday. Follow and do this step by step strategy every week, and you can send your offers to thousands of prospects. Get the source and the steps by using my link in the description. For bonus number three, you're going to get 9 real websites where rich people literally give away free money. You're going to be able to use the money to pay off your bills or start a business. It's true. Yep, there are some websites online where kind, rich people donate to people in need. Okay, now on to the product review.
Welcome to the world of the P-Influence Marketing Academy, a revolutionary program engineered to transform your business marketing dynamics. Scale your business to new heights with our comprehensive course module designed to optimize your marketing arsenal, allowing you to reach out and influence larger audiences like never before. Our academy boasts a plethora of features tailored to meet your business needs. From structured courses, interactive classes, to the intensive coaching sessions, we facilitate a conducive learning environment, empowering you to navigate the marketing landscape with ease. Practical, actionable marketing strategies prepare you to break through the market clutter and establish a dominant presence. Enrolling with the P-Influence Marketing Academy ushers you into a realm of boundless possibilities. You'll gain insight into advanced marketing techniques, helping you create a compelling brand narrative that resonates with your client base. Apart from raising your business profile, you'll also get a chance to connect with like-minded individuals and expand your professional network. Nothing speaks louder than the success of our alumni, who have significantly benefited from our course. Hear firsthand from these successful marketers how their experience with our academy has influenced their businesses, driving significant growth and profitability. Join the P-Influence Marketing Academy today and redefine your business success story. Equip yourself with the right marketing tools and unlock the door to unlimited business growth. Because at P-Influence Marketing Academy, we believe in making your entrepreneurial dreams a reality.